This is Carrie Delano, VP of Business Development with Trauma Services. Today we'll be talking about HIV and hepatitis and how to protect yourselves going into scenes where you may encounter various diseases. HIV and hepatitis. HIV can remain active in dried blood on surfaces away from its host for up to 6 days. Hepatitis, we usually hear about A, B, and C. Hep actually ranges from strains A through F. Hepatitis can live in dried blood and dried feces on surfaces away from its host for up to 45 days. When you are going into scenes that involve blood, bodily fluid, you should always wear foot protection, gloves, possibly a mask, and eye protection. Upon leaving that scene, it might be a good idea to disinfect your shoes just in case you did step in blood or bodily fluid. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, Trauma Services is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders from throughout New England. If you have any questions about our services, training program, or PPE program, or any of the information that you saw today, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at www.traumaservices.com. Have a great day.